Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix or how to restore your purchases on Toca Life World. So first thing that you'll need to do is to open your game or launch the game on your device, and then you would be able to see this shopping cart icon. So just click on it. And then you will then just have to wait for it to load. Now that you're here, you will then just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the black option that says restore purchases. Okay, so since I don't have any history about purchasing here, so I can see that. But if you did, okay, if you have history purchased, so you will be able to see that option. So you will then just have to click on it and all of your problems will be solved. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.